Hi, welcome to Progressive Muscle Relaxation. This exercise is very good for anxiety reduction. Find a comfortable space and lie down on your back. Keep your eyes closed and follow my instructions. We'll start by progressively creating muscle tension in different parts of our body and then relax them. We'll start from the feet. Create muscle tension in both your feet. More tense, more tense, more tense. Maximum tension in both your feet. Stay, stay, stay. Relax both your feet completely. Both your feet completely relaxed. Now we'll move up to your calf muscles. Create tension in both your calf muscles. More tense, more tense, more tense. Maximum tension in both your calf muscles. Stay, stay, stay. Completely relax your calf muscles. Completely relax your calf muscles. Now create tension in both your thighs. More tense, more tense. Maximum tension in both your thighs. Stay, stay, stay. Completely relax both your thigh muscles. Now we'll move to our hands. Make a fist and create tension in both your hands. More tense, more tense, more tense. Maximum tension in both your hands. Stay, stay, stay. Completely relax both your hands. Completely relaxed. Now create tension in both your arms. You can again make a fist to create tension in both your arms. More tense, more tense. Maximum tension in both your arms. Stay, stay, stay. Completely relax both your arms. Completely relaxed. Now create tension in both your shoulders. More tense, more tense. Maximum tension in both your shoulder. Stay, stay, stay. Completely relax both your shoulder. Completely relaxed. Completely relaxed. Now create tension in your upper back. More tense, more tense. Maximum tension in your upper back. Stay, stay, stay. Completely relax your upper back. Completely relax your upper back. Now create tension in your chest area. Create tension in your chest area. More tense, more tense, more tense. Maximum tension in your chest. Stay, stay, stay. Completely relax your chest. Completely relaxed. Now create tension in your neck. More tense. More tense. Maximum tension in your neck. Stay. 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 Completely relax your neck. Completely relax your neck. Now create tension in your jaws, in your jaw muscles. You can clench your teeth. More tense, more tense, more tense. Stay, stay, stay. Completely relax. Let it loose. Completely relax your jaw muscles. Now you can make a face and create tension in your face muscles. More tense, more tense. Maximum tension in your face muscles. Stay, stay, stay. Completely relax your face. Completely relaxed. Now we'll create tension in your entire body all at once. Your feet, your calf muscles, your thighs, your hands, your arms, your back, your shoulder, your chest, your neck, your face, your jaw muscles. Stay, stay, stay. Let it all loose, completely relaxed. Your whole body completely relaxed, as relaxed as possible. Stay with this feeling of relaxation, completely relaxed. Stay with this feeling of relaxation. Take a deep breath in, breathe out slowly. Take another deep breath in, breathe out slowly. Take one more deep breath in, and as you breathe out, let go of all the tension in any part of your body. Completely relaxed. Whenever you're comfortable, you can open your eyes. So this was progressive muscle relaxation. This exercise is very good for anxiety reduction. Try to practice it at least once a day, and it will definitely help you improve on your anxiety.